One of the biggest ways that you can grow your net worth is homeownership. Take a look at this. The difference in wealth between homeowners and renters is huge. The average homeowner's net worth is more than 40 times greater than a renter. That's money that builds your financial security and helps you accomplish your life-changing goals. It's why homeownership wins over time. But what is it that connects owning a home with building wealth? The answer is simple: home equity. And here's how it works. As you pay down your mortgage and your home appreciates in value, your home equity increases. And the equity goes directly toward building your wealth. It's a major opportunity you'll miss when you are a renter. So if you're looking to grow your net worth, homeownership is the way to go. So call me at 803-814-6136 and let's chat if you have more questions and want to learn more.